He has approached me that the link he gave yesterday, the URL link is here, but he cannot confirm whether it is the actual one because he doesn't have his computer with him now, his laptop. So, Senator Omta, the next sitting, you confirm whether this is the actual link which now the Secretariat can be able to access and see whether it is the actual information that you are supposed to provide. There is another substantiation of facts that the Senator alleges again to be true. This is now Senator Thangwa, MP. Honorable Senators, as you may recall, you can sit to the next, at the next seat there, Senator Tabitha. As you may recall, at the afternoon sitting of the Senate held yesterday, Wednesday, 19 February 2025, I directed Senator Thangwa, MP, to substantiate utterances made in the course of his contribution on the motion of recording to the thanks of the Senate on Kenya's attempt for the position of the chairperson of the African Union Commission. The direction allows out as of a point of order by the Senator for Vihiga County, Senator Godfrey Ososi, MP, pursuant to Standing Order 105. In the point of order by Senator Godfrey Ososi, MP, Senator Thangwa, MP, was required to substantiate the claim that, I quote, it was the praise of Kenyans that they wanted Right Honorable Raila to come back and do what he does. Either he joins the government and they continue rooting, or he speaks for the people as he has been doing. Close of quotes. Honorable Senators, Standing Order 105 provides that 1. A senator shall be responsible for the accuracy of any facts that the senator alleges to be true and may be required to substantiate any such facts instantly. And 2. If a senator has sufficient reason to convince the speaker that the senator is unable to substantiate the allegations instantly, the speaker shall require that such senator substantiates the allegations not later than the next sitting day. Failure to which the senator shall be deemed to be disorderly within the meaning of Standing Order 121, disorderly conduct, unless the senator withdraws the allegations and gives a suitable apology if the speaker so requires. Senator Thangwa, MP, was not able to substantiate his statement as required pursuant to Standing Order 105.1 and subsequently requested the speaker to provide the evidence at the next sitting day in accordance with Standing Order 105.2. Having acceded to the request, I directed that the senator substantiates the allegations at the next sitting day. Honorable Senators, pursuant to Standing Order 105.2, I now invite Senator Thangwa, MP, to forthwith substantiate the claim as listed in the point of order by Senator Godfrey Ososi, MP, failure to which the senator shall be deemed to be disorderly within the meaning of Standing Order 121. In the absence of such substantiation, the senator will be required to withdraw the statements and apologize to the Senate. Thank you. Senator Karungo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity. Mr. Speaker, after deliberations and understanding my role as a senator, that is oversight and representation, I understand that is what we call a fair comment, Mr. Speaker. And when I say that, I might have been, because I don't want to attract Senator Osotsi again to stand and maybe ask for more clarification. When I said, you know, I'm a Kikuyu and I come from Mount Kenya, and sometimes when you talk about, when you're speaking English, you replace L's and R's. So I meant rooting, which means mandamano. Mr. Speaker, he comes, I meant he will come and do what he does best. I said rooting, which is taking the route taking any route to demonstrate in the streets of our capital, Mr. Speaker. So maybe if I was misunderstood, and maybe he had I used an L, I meant routing. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
But this statement, according to the answer, it's different because you have said either Right Honorable Raila Odinga joins the government and they continue looting. Joins the government. I don't know whether you mean the government and Raila have been looting on Mandamano. I'm not sure whether that is that, but I will ask Senator Olsosi.
Mr. Speaker, maybe let me clarify. Senator Olsosi, maybe I just want you to understand, even when ODM is in broad-based government, they will continue making noise. You see them. We have given them chairmanship, and they're still making noise against the government. So what I'm trying to say, even if you do whatever you want to do, Mr. Speaker, they will continue demonstrating.
It's time to substantiate and then...
So I meant just that, Mr. Speaker. Even if they're in government, and I'm supporting that because if you listen to Senator Sifuna today, even you listen to him yesterday, he looks uncompromisable, Mr. Speaker. Even if he is promised his people will be given chairman. Look at Senator Eddie. Senator Eddie is going to be given chairman. He's the vice chairman. And he's still asking questions to this government.
Senator Karongo, you have not substantiated your claim, unfortunately.
Mr. Speaker, I say he will join the government.
I'm not convinced as the chair that you have done that.
Yeah.
Yes, Senator Sifuna.
Honorable Speaker, when somebody is called to stop